On the road again.
On the road again.
No, that's not the rest of the song.
Going to Audi again.
No, it's not.
What's the next?
We have a predicament. You want to go to St Kilda.
We are.
I want to stay at the Ritz in Melbourne. And you keep saying, it's out our budget. No. What do we do?
Louis.
What do we do? Yellow car. Are you mental? Win.
Here we are.
Here we are.
Here we are. Are you ready for it? Oh, got a big hill. Hang on. Here we are, the beach. St Kilda Beach. We're going for a wander. Aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Funny statues. It's a dog and a rabbit having a cup of tea. See it? Go have a look. It's a bit sad.
Half
She's
human,
got a
half...
happy tea. Oh yeah, it is. Half human.
You didn't realise they weren't human? They were...
No, I just saw the heads. Here's a rhino. But wait. It's a double-ended rhino. Oh my god, it's like cat dog. If you don't know what cat dog is, Google it.
Hey, you cat dog! Never mind.
It's 11 AM. Time for a cocktail.
Time for a cocktail.
What did I get? Mimosa. Mimosa.
Well, this place is a little cutie. Look, you get a little, whatever you call this thing. Here you got a mimosa. Time for me to try. Oh yes, mimosas are the best. Look at these cakes. Have you ever seen anything so big? Look at the size of it. And this is Death by Chocolate right here, and this is baklava. Death by Chocolate.
Death by Chocolate.
That looks like heaven right there. Feed me a piece. No. Feed me a piece of Death by Chocolate.
No.
That is so good. So light and fluffy.
So updates. We tried to call the Ritz. Considering it was a 5-star hotel, they didn't pick up for like 10 minutes. I had to call 3 times. They have a room available, the panoramic room, but the weather's horrible. We don't really want to spend that much money on a room with a view when everything's going to be grey and miserable. Not too sure. And a room is $755 a night. So you can see why, like something just like the weather. Ooh. But now we don't know what to do because we're leaving tomorrow anyway. Back home. Our month-long adventure's coming to an end. Back to work.
Well, there's this hotel as a backup. It's a new hotel called the Howie, and it has like a standalone bathrobes.
Oh, that does look really nice.
$350, so pretty good
That's cheap,
price. Obviously, there's no marble bathroom, but and no silver cutlery.
Guess we can live with that.
Yeah, I don't know how high up it is though.
Doesn't make a
Bathroom's
difference.
cool.
The weather's crap for a view anyway. Maybe we should just get a cheap
That's $350.
cheap motel. It's raining. So someone left the ignition on
For literally 5 minutes.
and the car's dead. It won't start.
Yeah.
Might be a good thing we didn't go to the Ritz then. If this just happened, might have to pay for this. Give it a go. Oh no.
Tick, 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 tick.
The last day. The last day.
The car.
Blame the car. Our knight in shining.
We're being rescued. Yay! We're being rescued. Yay! RACV. And this is why you should get Australia-wide cover when you travel. This very reason.
It's like you've got a bit of faulty bearing at the front of the motor somewhere. You need to repair us ASAP to get that sorted, because if that bearing seizes, it'll take out your drive belt. How far are you going now?
I'm going to go back to Queensland tomorrow.
Quite honestly, I wouldn't risk it. You'd probably guarantee it would crack itself somewhere along the line.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't be driving it too far.
No, thank you.
Okay?
Okay, awesome.
Thanks
Cheers.
so much.
Have a good one.
Richmond.
Look at that, and he's just gone to the next car over. Some guy just came over and said, I'm not a member, but my car's dead too, could you help? Sorry, CQ dude told us some dreadful news. We had a feeling it was a dodgy bearing, but he confirmed it. You basically can't drive back home until you get it fixed. It's a good thing we didn't book that hotel.
Thank God we didn't.
Now we have to get the car fixed, and we're probably going to be stuck here for a week, I reckon.
Probably.
If we don't, the bearing can pop off and the belt could fly off and it'll just screw everything up. Oh, this happens every
God,
single
it's
time we
always
go
something.
home. Something happens. Floods, fires, car breakdown. It's a sign we don't go back.
Every time
Every time.
we were away.
Well, at least we're moving and the car's powered. It's a start. Basic guesses. How long are we going to be stuck in Melbourne? How many more days? 4. No, I reckon more than 4. Yeah. I reckon next Saturday we'll leave. Yeah.
I reckon 5 days. We're here at the Dorset. Oh, it's nice. So we just waited in here for about a few minutes and the doors opened. We're still in reception.
Ground floor.
Forgot to swipe.
This is the swipe.
Is it sort of...
It doesn't even tell you
swipe.
nothing. The woman looks familiar. I was like, she got up 6 stairs faster.
What way? This is 4. Oh my gosh. Someone's tricking us. Okay, well, hopefully we'll be at 6 anytime soon. Yes. Pretty big, isn't it? Just keeps going and going. Hope this means we get a good view. Here we are, 626.
These are wood. They're awesome.
Wood. Cute. Here we go.
Yeah.
Oh. It's very cute. It's very city, isn't it? Not bad at all. Look at that.
It would do for life.
It will do. This is some art sculpture. I saw this online.
Hello.
Ooh. It's a cute little wardrobe. Not recording.
Alright, let's pretend we just did this for the first time because someone forgot to record. Okay, ready? Jug of beer.
Cheers.
Cheers. I couldn't wait until I just started eating. We got our pizzas. Oh, look at that. And some wings. It looks quite burnt on camera, but it's tasty.
It's really good.
That bib is extremely smart because you cannot be trusted. I don't know how you do it. Every single time you eat, you get stuff on your dress. Fun fact, what you don't see is under that bib, there's already a stain from the last restaurant we went to. From the morning cake.
On the cake.
Yeah, yum yum. Welcome, dear French. Dear French.
Dear French. So we're looking at accommodation for who knows how long. So I'm going with 3 nights for now. I found a good accommodation 5 minutes down the road from us. Entire apartment to ourselves on the Docklands in the centre of Melbourne for $504. And he says, that's a lot of money. And I'm like, you wanted to spend $750 on 1 night in the Ritz. And now we got 3 nights for less money, an actual apartment to ourselves.
Yeah, but it's different because
He
that's
says
not the
it's
Ritz.
too much.
That's not the Ritz.
For a little steam in the steam room. Honey. Hot already? So the situation's a bit weird. The steam room is in the women's changing area and the sauna is in the men's. So everyone's a bit confused as to if you're supposed to be allowed in there or you're not. but consensus is we're all just going to be going into the other areas, so that's what we're going to do.
It's now bedtime. We haven't done anything today. We haven't filmed anything today. Barely.
We went to St Kilda.
And then
The
broke
battery went
down.
flat. Then they found out our cars need some work done, so we've done all that. Found somewhere to stay for the night.
Then we had a swim, we had a sauna, we had a steam room and a little jacuzzi. I don't think we filmed any of that.
We filmed a little bit of it.
And now we're watching the Titanic in bed.
We're watching Titanic. A nice glass of wine.
After going to the museum, we decided we're going to watch the Titanic.
Because you've never seen the
I
Titanic.
don't think I've ever seen it.
How? Classic.